Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Make a great choice today with the 2024 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, Sirius XM radio, navigation system, security system, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.